Hello guys, welcome to Algebra. I'm gonna show you how to solve all of this problem. Let's begin. Three x plus 2x. First, the variable are the same, and there is a coefficient 3 and 2, so we can combine this. 3 plus 2 is 5, and we put x. 5x plus 4 plus 2x. This has the same variable as this, so we can combine these two. We get 5 plus 2 is 7, and we put x, and there is a constant, which is not with x, so we add 4. 7x minus 3x minus 2. First, we determine the x term. We get 7 minus 3 equals 4, then we put x, and we get the minus 2 constant. Let's retry a bit harder. We get the outside is 2 and the inside is x and 5, so we must multiply the outside into all of the inside, so we get 2 times x plus 2 times 5. This equal to 2x plus 10, because 2 times 5 equals 10. Minus 3 times x minus 4. We can just use the same method. We get minus 3 times x minus 3 times 4. So we get minus 3x minus, this is minus 3 times 4 equals minus 12, and this is a minus sign again, so we get plus sign 12. Minus of x plus y minus 3. So we know that if we have a minus here and there is no number here, it also can write this way: minus 1 times x plus y minus 3. And we can substitute again. We get minus 1 times x plus minus 1 times y minus 1 times 3. Then we have 1 times x equals x, and there is minus sign, so we get minus x. Minus 1 times y equals minus y. Minus 1 times 3, and there's also a negative sign here, so we get plus 3. What is 4x times 3x? So we can multiply number with number, and we can multiply variable with variable. So we get 4 times 3 times x, because 4 times 3 equals 12, and x times x equals x squared. So we get 12 times x squared, or 12x squared. 12x squared divided by 3x. We can write x in this way, because x times x equals x squared, and all over divided by 3x. And we can cancel this out. Then we have 12 divided by 3 is just equal 4, and remain x, so we get 4x. First, we must multiply the outside to the inside of the parenthesis. We get 2x minus 2 times 5, and the last minus x. This 3 has the same variable, so we get 3x plus 2x minus x, or minus 1x. So we get 3 plus 2 equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. So we get 4x minus 2 times 5 equals 10. Grandma has 1/4 of mom's apples and 3 more apples. If mom has 40 apples, how many apples does grandma has? First, let's understand the story. Mom has 40 apples, and grandma has 1/4 of mom's apples. Do you know what 1/4 means? It means we take mom's apples and divide by 4. and it's equal 10. So grandma has 10 apples from that part. But wait, the problem says and 3 more apples. So grandma has 10 plus 3, which is equals 13 apples. So grandma has 13 apples. A gym charges a monthly fee of $20 plus $5 per visit. Write an algebraic expression for the total cost after X visits. Then simplify if someone goes 6 times. So imagine this. You wanna go to a gym, and the gym says you must pay $20 every month, no matter what. And then every time you visit, you pay $5 more. So there are two parts, $20 and $5 per visit. So if we visit the gyms 2 times, we get the charge of $20 plus 5 times 2 is $10. So we must pay $30. In this case, we don't know how many visits yet. So we use a letter. Let's call it X. X is a number of visits. Now each visit costs $5. So visits cost is 5 times X or 5X. Then we have a total cost. A total cost is $20 plus 5X dollar, where X is a number of visits. That's our algebra expression. Now let's say you went 6 times. That means X is 6. So we put X into the expression. Then we get the total cost is 20 plus 5 times 6. We must pay 20 plus 30 or $50.